Sasuke, were your eyes able to see through it all? Who he deceived himself for and dishonored his name for by killing the clan just to protect.
You're upset with me? That's fine. To live life being hated, that's one path for a ninja. But it's just the two of us. I'll always be there. Like a wall you need to climb over. Even if it means being hated. That's what big brothers are for. Sasuke.
Brother! Brother!
Sorry, Sasuke. But this is it.